Hello, thank you for attending today's talk about evolution of high-power pulsed laser diodes for LiDAR applications. My name is Jens Krause and I'm an applications engineer working for EXCELITAS Technologies. EXCELITAS is your single source for photonic solutions, covering many illumination devices such as lasers, also the transmission of light through optics and optomechanics, as well as the detection of light through several sensors from the UV to the infrared are key competencies of EXCELITAS. This enables you to work with an easy supply chain as EXCELITAS offers world's best components at various customization levels. With over 7,000 employees worldwide, EXCELITAS is able to support customers efficiently and fast. Pulsed laser diodes and avalanche photodiodes, the topic of today, are developed and processed in our ITAR-free wafer fab in Canada, whereas high-volume assembly takes place in Indonesia and the Philippines. The focus of today's talk is on new developments of EXCELITAS photon detection pulsed laser diodes Generation 2 and the corresponding avalanche photodiodes in ultra-compact SMD package, both designed for high-volume applications. Nowadays, all major sectors, as commercial, industrial, or automotive, are looking into smarter devices. Machines need to be aware of their surrounding. However, requirements on the used components are differing from each sector. While for pure measurement applications no special precautions need to be considered, things are changing once human lives get involved. Starting with unmanned ground vehicles inside warehouses or at parcel services, more requirements come into play to prevent false measurements and hence ensuring a safe device operation. More critical applications, as in industrial safety or the automotive market, are calling for a zero failure rate and a long lifetime in order to ensure safety and integrity of human lives. While commonly used technologies as cameras, radar, and ultrasonic are well established, more and more 3D sensing applications are calling for LiDAR to increase the range, the robustness, and the resolution of distance measurements. EXCELITAS high-performance sensors are focusing on pulsed laser diodes and avalanche photodiodes. With our decades of experience in this market, we have a broad offering on different components and modules. While today's focus is on cost-sensitive, high-volume applications, our portfolio covers 905 nm edge-emitting laser diodes and APDs in SMD packages. However, our portfolio does not only cover APDs for high-volume applications. Also, YAG-enhanced silicon and InGaAs for eye-safe LiDAR applications are part of our expertise. As we are constantly developing market-driven innovations, the second generation of our pulsed laser diodes has been launched recently. This Generation 2 comes in a high-volume plastic TO package and delivers high output power out of a small aperture, utilizing 3 laser junctions inside the laser chip. It was possible to increase the optical output power by more than 20%, so that 85 watts at 30 ampere or even more than 100 watts at 40 amperes can be achieved by leaving the footprint, beam profile, and electrical characteristics unchanged. This enables you to easily upgrade your already existing system to more power output and hence more range, or to expanded battery service life due to less power consumption at the same range. Of course, this launch is not the end of the road, as we are constantly working on new developments. In 2021, the Generation 2 will be extended into multiple packages as metal TO cans and SMD packages, followed by new laser diode generations aiming at even more efficiency and reliability. As the best fit to our Generation 2 laser diode, the C30-737MH APD in its ultra-compact SMD package is a perfect match to detect the reflected light in your LiDAR applications. The size of only 1.75 × 2 mm allows for easy integration by reflow processes on very small footprints that are independent from the used detector size. This diode comes in several versions, optimized for 800 nanometers or 900 nanometers, and circular active areas of 230 micrometers or 500 micrometers diameter, respectively. With their high bandwidth of up to 1.3 GHz and high responsivity at low noise levels of only 0.1 picoamperes per root hertz, they are perfectly suited for LiDAR applications with low incoming light powers. In addition to that, EXCELITAS offers these diodes as well in ceramic SMD packages with several filter options to block unwanted wavelengths and improve the signal-to-noise ratio. In addition to our product offerings, I want to give a quick overview on our support activities that enable our customers to bring their visions to the market. Starting at the concept phase, our experts do help on the overall project design, optical and component design, and support with expertise on manufacturing topics and system integration. For customized products, the builds of prototypes is the starting point of defined and ISO-certified processes that brings your product into volume production. Your path to next-generation LiDAR technology is best by web. Visit the product section on excelitas.com to get in contact with us directly or to find your local supplier. For fast delivery and easy payment methods of evaluation quantities, we recommend to use our constantly growing stock at digikey.com. Today, you've learned about the market-driven sensor and emitter innovations of EXCELITAS Technologies. Our enhanced pulsed laser diodes and ultra-compact SMD APDs are the perfect match to make your high-volume LiDAR application a success. Thank you for your attendance.